wanted to spend the day driving around the island, so Dana sent Kyle and I to rent a car. She should have known better because this is what Kyle and I came back with. Today we decided to go up to the North Shore. This is the first stop where we had a scenic overlook of the ocean. We stopped for a couple hours at Waimanalo Beach, which is on the east side of the island. The beach was much less crowded than Waikiki and gave you much more of that true Hawaiian feel. Kyle quickly changed into a swimsuit, and Dana found a place to sit on the beach. He said the water was a little bit cold till you got used to it, but I think he had fun. All the popular YouTubers seem to have at least one video where they're shown destroying their camera trying to get the shot. I'm by no means a great YouTuber, but I guess we have one thing in common now. Yes, my poor Canon M50 is no more. All Dana could say when I got back is, I knew that was going to happen. I guess on the bright side, my phone and the GoPro were both waterproof, so they survived okay. Once everybody got dried off and changed, we got back in the car and continued our trip up to the North Shore. On the way, we drove by where they did some of the filming for Jurassic Park. The water on this side of the island was much rougher, but I guess that's why the North Shore is one of the surfing capitals of the world. Between ruining my main camera and the rain, we don't have much more footage of this trip. However, we did stop at the North Shore Surf Shop and Kyle got a sweatshirt and we did find some food, but the day before Hawaii had shut down all restaurants other than carryout to help stop the spread of COVID-19, so we had to get it to go. I think this is where we're going to stop today's video. If you want to follow along on our adventures in Hawaii, including Kyle surfing and parasailing, please subscribe, and thanks for watching as we do it across America.